Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Next.js project that I developed in order to merge multiple PDF documents into a single PDF document in the browser itself. So it's a static website, kind of a tool you can say. So this is actually the interface of the tool. So you can also earn a lot of passive income by placing advertisements to these tools. Later on I will show you my income. So first of all, this is actually the tool right here. So here you can select multiple PDF documents. So let's suppose I select this PDF and this one. So we have selected two PDF documents. This is the first PDF one, this is the second one. So you can even change the order as well by just dragging and dropping multiple. If you want to change the order, you can reverse order it. If you want to remove it, you will see the dustbin icon is there. You can remove these by clicking this. So this is it to merge PDF web application. So you simply click the select PDF button, and here you will select your PDF documents so which you want to merge. Now we have the button here. If you click the merge PDF button, so it will merge out both these two PDF documents into a single PDF document, and it will be downloaded as an attachment. So if you open now, you will see it is holding 46 pages. So it is also already merged both the PDF into a single PDF. So it's a very good application guys, a very good passive income. You can earn a lot of passive money just placing advertisements. User will come to the website, they simply select whichever PDF file they want to merge. They will select this and click the merge PDF button, and it's a single page application used in Next.js. And if you need the full source code of this project that I developed, the link is given in the description. You can directly go to my website procodestore.com and you will get the full directory structure. After you make the payment, you will get this zip file. So you need to extract the zip file which will contain this full directory structure. Each component has a appropriate file here. So it is coded inside TypeScript. You can see that. So if I show you the package.json file, so you can see Next.js, we are using it, and we are using the latest version of React, which is 18.2 at the time of recording this video. And we are using this library which is PDF-lib. PDF-lib, if you don't know guys, it's a very popular library, JavaScript library for creating and modifying PDF documents. So this is the official website of pdflibjs.org. So this is actually the actual library that we are using for this project. So very simple application. If you need the full source code, you can go to the description link and purchase the full source code. And if you are a developer, you can even modify this application to add additional features, and you can even understand how I developed this source code from scratch. So once you purchase it, for running this, it's very simple. You run this command here, npm run dev. So this will start the local development server, localhost 3000. So you can easily run this application and even deploy this application. The deployment command, if you check, you can simply run npm run build. This will bundle your application so that you can upload this to any shared hosting, any domain name that you can directly deploy this as well, Next.js application. And now let me show you the proof of my passive income. So on one domain I basically deploy this, and I basically earning this passive income. So ezoic.com is an ad network, a very popular ad network. So I basically am getting this passive income daily. If you see, so round about $50 I am getting here. So once you purchase it guys, you can directly rank this tool on Google, merge PDF online, so you can get this passive income daily. So user will come to your website, they will see the advertisements, they will use your tool, and side by side you will earn a lot of passive income as well. So this is a nice little project, and if you are in college or if you are in school also, you can just purchase this project so that you can actually show to their college and job opportunity as well. So it's a real-time project. It actually does something practically. It merges multiple PDF documents. It's an editor. So if you are interested, the link is given in the description. And thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website which is freemediatools.com. which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.